Here I have ULEFONE Power Armor 18 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot Mode on this device. So firstly you should turn it off by holding down power key, and after the device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. So in the following menu, was using volume up to navigate and volume down to select, you should select the second option, Fastboot Mode, and it will take you to the Fastboot Mode, which these small letters imply. So when you're done using Fastboot, just to quit it, what you have to do is to hold down power key for about like 10 seconds, and then device will be forcefully restarted. Just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.